Good morning, it's Lachlan here. Now I'm just in Yiwu and I'm ready to go visit some suppliers. It's approximately 7 AM. But first I want to go have buffet breakfast in the hotel because it is included, so that's amazing. And I'm just finishing packing my bags. But once I go visit the suppliers, we'll be checking out their factory and looking at their showroom. I'll be showing them some products they previously made and the changes I want made to them for the next run. And I'll also be then visiting another showroom and discussing some products that the quality wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. So then we'll be off to Guangzhou. Come along and I'll take you on day 3. You just look out the window and you just think, wow. She's running to go find her boss to come and say hi to me. And I'm going to be drinking some Chinese tea. Yeah. Good, thanks for having me here. Anyway, so I wanted to show you the machine here which glues on the backs of every board. So every board gets manually backed with a human that glues I've just arrived into the sample room of the next supplier. So just checking out a few of the products, looking at what potentially we may want to order in the future. And we'll go from there, just inspect some of the quality, I guess. That was delicious. I'll show you what I'm eating. Cake, yum. And I'm eating cake because I'm trying to find a good angle here. I'm eating cake because I'm a little bit stressed, but every day in business there's things that go wrong, right? Not everything goes to plan, and when everything's going to plan, I'm like, something must be going wrong, because you can't just have a fluid business transaction with your customers, your suppliers, everyone. It's not meant to be that easy. So I'm in Yiwu airport waiting for my flight. I think it might be delayed a little bit. I'm trying to understand what they're saying, but trying to eat some sugar, and I just remembered I have Oreos in my bag from last night. That's such a good idea because there's no convenience store in this airport. It's quite small. My phone's been buzzing from my supplier and freight forwarder, so I just put a hold on the shipment that is in limbo. I said please make sure it's not loaded on the container because it's meant to be leaving very, very soon, so that's now confirmed on a hold. And probably be sending it straight back to the supplier. I'm waiting for an outcome from them, so they either need to give me a refund or replace the stock to be correct, and we're talking over 500,000 patty pans, so it's not just a small quantity that we're dealing with here. And then I'm on my way to Guangzhou. Yay! That was such a long delay. That was like 6-hour delay. So I'm literally just arrived now. We left it around 2 PM and I think it's almost 10. So sitting on the ground for 6 hours is not fun in an airplane where you're not allowed to get off or not allowed to move. So I'm now just walking through the arrivals hall. As you can see, the baggage carousels are there. I've had a bite to eat, but my laptop is dead, my phone is dead. Every device I have, except for this camera right now, is dead. First thing I'm going to do, set up all my charging devices, start getting everything charged for tomorrow. That's in case I fall asleep, so I'll probably set an alarm as well to make sure that I've covered everything. In case I do fall asleep, then I don't want to miss my train tomorrow to Dongguan. So tomorrow's exciting, we've got a lot going on. Then I'll be off to Hong Kong. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. My link is down below, and check out the next video. Can't wait to see you all then. Bye!